Time check!
Sawadee ka, Tokon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone!
Thank you.
Good morning Philippines! Rise and shine!
Makeup time! What you made me do? I'm dancing with a stranger. Good morning, Teacher Maria! Good morning, Teacher Nan. Ohayo gozaimasu, Sensei!
And I'm done with my makeup.
Good morning, Teacher Ming. Zhao Shang Hao Ni Hao. Good morning, teachers. Ming Galaba. Magandang umaga. Patok tuloy nyo.
Bon appetit! Cheers!
Morning, Teacher Lamtan. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. Auxiliary. This right. This right. Specific. Finish already, right? Ready? Give me your score. Kauot. 20. Pit. 20. Bank. 14. Pum. Chawanvit. 19. Patter. Sipjet. 17. Pupa. 18. Den. 17. Chef. 20. Yisip. Off. 17. Om. Non-tachat. Non-tachat. Absent. Rui. Park. Titan. 17. Oran. 17. Scene. 20. Nick. 18. Bang. 15. Boom. 20. Sunbright. 19. Boom. Pumipat. Ben. 20. Poon. 19. Neo. Tan. Poo. Kautu. Lawan. 18. Proud. 19. Jajar. 20. Freshie. 18. Bam. Absent. Peach. 18. Beam. 18. Om. 18. Ploy. 18. Om. Non-tachat. 13. Okay, that's it for the day. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class.
Bon appetit!
Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about tongue twister. What is tongue twister? All together read. For today's activity, you are going to remember and memorize a tongue twister below. Just choose and select one only. You are going to present it today. 50 points. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Thank you. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. Thank you. You're welcome. Ready? Give me your score. Jonai. 19. 19. J. 15. Atom. 19. Gas. Absent. Toad. Absent. Mark. 10. Stamp. Absent. Boy. Absent. Mai. 19. Saki. Absent. Game. Absent. Cow. Chukon. Absent. Chocon is absent, right? Horn, absent. Fu absent. Game, absent. P, 15. Per is absent. Guy is absent. Frame, 20. Excellent. Frame. Nay, absent. Baikaw, absent. Muay, excellent. Muay. Mina, 19. Pink, 17. Nam, 15. Baimon, 20. Kel, absent. Prewa, absent. Cha, absent. Ink, absent. Pan, absent. Cream, absent. Nay, 13. Cheer, absent. That's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about tongue twister. What is tongue twister? All together, read. What you're going to do today, you are going to remember and memorize a tongue twister below. Just choose and select one only. You are going to present it today. 50 points. Don't be nervous na. Don't be nervous. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Goodbye, teachers. Bye, teacher Ming. Sayonara. Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.